What are my thoughts on Grandiosa pizza in Norway? I think Grandiosa is trash. Oh my God, I don't know how you people eat this thing. And listen, I love pizza. I love pizza. I love pizza. I go all around the world and I have to sometimes force myself to eat the local cuisine because I love pizza so much. I just order pizza. But no, oh my God, I don't like Grandiosa. If I'm gonna have frozen pizza, which I don't like frozen pizza at all. As much as I love pizza, is as much as I don't love frozen pizza. But if I'm gonna have frozen pizza, this is the one. Yo, the big one. I want it. Pause. No diddy. No, this is my brand right here. Definitely that one. I've never had that one before. Never had that one. I've been to Pepe's Pizza, but I've never had their frozen pizza before. So I don't know how good that tastes. Somebody tell me, is the Pepe's frozen pizza really good? And am I wrong about Grandiosa? Is it just magical and I'm just weird? And should I branch out? What is this other one? Dr. Oetker? I don't know how to say that. Dr. Oetker? I'm definitely willing to admit when I'm wrong, but I just think Grandiosa, not good.